Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys, and this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general reading, guys. Aquarius. So let's start with these cards here. We have Hermit, Page of Cups in reverse, and Seven of Cups. So with these cards, guys, Aquarius, in your situation, you are thinking about something. Maybe you have some important decisions to make today. So you are in deep thought about certain things, and you are having some kind of obstacles or hurdles to cross in your career situation, or it may be in your personal life, maybe some misunderstandings or something to be overcome. Maybe this person you love, you may have that that attraction, physical attraction towards them. You love this person, but you do not share that great understanding. Maybe for some of you, you are living your fantasy life or your dream life with this person, but you may not have that emotional connectivity with this person. So some kind of misunderstandings may be there, or you may feel that this person is not open, they are hiding something maybe, and you cannot trust them maybe for some reason. So some kind of obstacles or some kind of worries are there. So it may be something in your relationship, or it may be something in your work situation, guys. So in your work, maybe there are people, they are not telling you the truth, maybe. So they are hiding something and you feel that you cannot trust them, guys. So some kind of stress or worries because of that, guys, Aquarius, in your career or in your personal life situation, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, it may be you have just like I said with the previous cards, you have you feel love towards this person, you have a great attraction, but there is something missing. You may feel that you cannot trust them. Maybe for some of you, this may be a new relationship. You don't know much about this person, or you are this connection is still still new for you. You need to work on your understanding, or their vision is different and your vision is different. So some kind of differences are there between you both, something that is giving you that feeling that you don't know them enough, guys. So that is what I feel, guys, with these cards. So you need to work on that understanding, and you feel that you cannot trust this person, have that total faith on them. And this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. So that may be the reason you are thinking about some decisions you need to take today, guys, maybe. So whether you want to work on this connection or not, or move away from this person, some deep thought you have today, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Devil in reverse, guys. So with this card in your career situation, again we see that something is hiding your vision or blocking your vision, or you feel stuck, or some kind of what to say, something is holding you back today, guys. Some kind of stress, something is maybe the way you work, or maybe the people in your work situation, they are not putting in efforts like you. Or for some of you, you may have some addictions that is again uh, coming in the way, affecting your work potential, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you are interested, Aquarius, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards, and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through, and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out, or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles, or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things or some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.